So 3 colors down, we'll put those all in the winners pile so far. And now this is one, being clear, has the potential of being the easiest to blow up, but I'm already noticing it's got a pretty good feel to it. I'm not feeling the 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 lack of pigment. And if you've been doing balloons for a while, you probably understand what I'm trying to say. It's kind of hard to put into words. The more pigments and the darker pigments usually makes the balloon a little bit thicker. They used to have a beautiful color. It was this metallic turquoise, and they actually used, if I remember correctly, Roundup mica, and the color was gorgeous. I loved using it for like Scooby Doo's collar. It was just so beautiful. Unfortunately, that was one of the colors that have been discontinued over the years. But let's see how this clear one works. Not bad. Huh? It's a clear balloon. I'm required by balloon twisters everywhere to see how the clear balloon does. Okay. And yes, this knife is very sharp. Okay. So far, so good. And yeah, I'm not feeling any weak spots. I'm not feeling any pressure loss as the balloon's going down. Even as I'm pushing it, you're not getting the fine dimples that can sometimes happen as you're pushing, stopping, pushing, stopping. Okay. And almost got it. Oh, come on. There you go. And presto changeo, we have a knife and a balloon. Let's tie that off. So, considering this is the first time I've worked with this brand, the learning curve is non-existent. I'm actually, again, I know I keep saying it, but usually when I try a different brand, again, if you've been doing balloons for a while, you'll know what I mean. Because of the different feel, because of how balloons are affected by the environment, and not knowing how fresh they are, how old they are, you get a little imperfections. You get the little feels. Uh, some colors I can instantly tell even with my eyes closed what color it most likely is because of how it feels. But I'm getting pretty good strength here. Let's uh let's see here. Okay. And yeah, I mean, even the sharpness of that point did not puncture it. I mean, now I'm also through the thickest part of the knot, so I mean, and we will teach that technique if someone wants to learn it. Just put in the comment of knife in a balloon. And yeah, I'm actually pretty impressed with that too. Okay, Decomex. And if I'm saying that wrong, tell me how to pronounce it because I'm just figuring this out as I go here. And I've got to tell you, so far, again, impressed. Okay.